Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a background image size or increase or decrease a background image. Open your PDF file. First I'll add a new background image. Select organize option. Now select a background option and select add option and select a name option. You can type your background image name or select a folder option and I'll add this background image, this one. Select open. And first I'll say this position center or select the center, and this is scale option and you can increase decrease the image size. I'll make it 50% and see this image now decrease. Also I'll increase this one 90% and see it. Also I'll make it larger than 100%. I'll make it 120 and see this. In this way you can increase decrease image size and simply select OK and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.